Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I bought this great DIY for you guys, a customized painted cap. If you are new on my channel, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So without wasting time, let's get started. For this purpose, I'm going to use this white cap. I was having this white cap from very long time and I thought that it is very boring. So I thought let's recreate it. So simply I'll just draw this type of logo on the front of the cap, and then for the outlining of this logo I'm gonna use this black color acrylic paint. Don't worry if you are not having any type of fabric paint, so you can also use the acrylic paint. And if you want to lock the acrylic paint for a very long time, so you have to apply varnish after the painting. And for the tracing and drawing of this logo, I'm gonna use a very thin brush, same as it is like eyeliner brush. If you don't want to make any type of logo, so you can also choose any type of object in front of the cap you want to make. I am just giving you guys a trial or an idea that you can customize any type of cap you are having in your home. This was the main step and it was very difficult for me to give it a very fine finishing. Until I am completing this logo, do not forget to subscribe, press the bell icon to never miss an update from my channel. To support my channel, so I will bring great more DIYs for you guys, which will make your home look more elegant and adorable. And trust me, all the DIYs will be very affordable for you guys. I always try new things and share the new things with you guys, and I hope that you guys watch the video and then try in your own style. Here you can see that the logo is done, but still the upper area is left. So I have drawn this human heart on the left side. Now for the outlining of a human heart, I am going to use this thin brush, or you can say the eyeliner brush. It will give a very thin layer of outline on the human heart like this. As our teacher told us in our childhood that always make the outline of any object and then fill the color inside the object. Same as it is, I obeyed that instruction. First I made the outline and now I'm going to fill the color inside the object. For the veins, I have used blue color, and for the capillaries and the rest of the heart, I am going to use red color. I am using the fabric color paints, which are of bluebird. Here you can see the bottle, and if you are not having any type of fabric color paint, so you can also use acrylic colors. It doesn't matter that which paints you are going to use. It matters that you are applying varnish after painting or not, because varnish makes the painting waterproof and very shiny. Until I am filling the color into the heart, do not forget to like, subscribe, press the bell icon to never miss an update from my channel. Do support my channel, so I will bring great more DIYs for you guys and very great DIY tutorials for you guys, which will be very affordable for you guys. And my all videos and shorts are very informative for you guys, so you can go and check my short series and my playlist of crafts. Here you can see that the heart is gonna almost done. And you can also see that the fabric is still visible. So I will apply the 2 coats of the red color, and now I'm gonna apply the varnish of bluebird. I am having this varnish. You can use any type of varnish you are having, and you are not having varnish, so you can buy a varnish from any store nearby your house. Apply a very small amount of varnish on the heart and spread evenly with the thick brush. Now again I am applying the varnish on the upper side where I have made the logo. This is the most satisfying and relaxing part of this whole process, because now I am feeling very glad that I am done with this cap. This varnish will make your painting very shiny, waterproof and visible on the objects such as cap, t-shirt or any type of thing on which you are painting. And our cap is almost done. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from my channel. Let's meet in another video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.